Bharat Nirman Yojana, is intended for the development of which of the following? A. Urban infrastructure. B. Rural infrastructure. C. Bridges and roads. D. Information technology. Answer is B. Rural infrastructure. The normal temperature in the body of human beings is A. 37.2 degrees centigrade. B. 39.2 degrees centigrade. C. 37.4 degrees centigrade. D. 39.4 degrees centigrade. Answer is option C. 37.4 degrees centigrade. Which of the following is not a measure of prevention of smallpox? A. Isolation of patient till the last crust of wash is separate. B. Disinfection of premise. C. Destruction of sputum. D. Cleaning patients' clothing in washing machine. Right answer is C. Destruction of sputum. In 1907, the Indian National Congress split into moderates and extremists on selection of president at Surat session. Who was elected president with support of the moderates? A. Ohame. B. M.K. Gandhi. C. Rash Bihari Bose. D. Bipin Chandra Pal. Answer is C. Rash Bihari Bose. The highest waterfall that measures about 1000 meters and is location in Venezuela is called A. Tugela. B. Jog Fall. C. Angel. D. Kukenan. Answer is C. Angel. Neil Armstrong, the first American astronaut, set foot on the moon on A. the 21st of July 19,669. B. the 13th of September 1959. C. the 20th of August 1858. D. the 18th of October 1961. Right answer is A. the 21st of July 1969. Which of the following is not a rule of hoisting the Indian national flag? A. the saffron color band should always be at the top. B. no flag or emblem should be placed above or to the left of the national flag. C. while marching it should be held on the right or in the center. D. it can be taken down on the next day morning of hoisting. Answer is D. it can be taken down on the next day morning of hoisting. Which place is known as the Kashmir of Orissa? A. Damali. B. Daringbadi. C. Saptasajia. D. Satakoshia. A. Malkangiri. Answer is B. Daringbadi. The Chief Justice of Orissa High Court is appointed by A. the Governor of Orissa. B. the Prime Minister. C. the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. D. the President of India. Answer is the President of India. When Orissa became a separate state on the 1st of April, 1936, the number of districts was A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 13. Answer is D. 13. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Orissa? A. Alauddin Bakhtiya. B. Muhammad Saeed. C. Subiman Karrani. D. Kutab-ud-Din Aibak. Answer is B. Subiman Karrani. Which of the following rivers does not flow into the Bay of Bengal? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Kaveri. D. none of these. Right answer is Krishna. The Orissa Legislative Assembly met in Ravenshaw College Hall at Cuttack on A. the 25th of July 1936. B. the 28th of July 1937. C. the 25th of June 1937. D. the 28th of June 1937. Answer is B. the 28th of July 1937. Orissa became a part of British Empire during the reign of A. Warren Hastings. B. Krishna. C. Kaveri. D. none of these.